Hi class 5 students, welcome back to your value education class. Hope you all remember that we have already completed chapter 2, right? Now today we are going to discuss the question answers, okay? So before I begin, just let me tell you, uh, see, it depends. Question answers will depend. So I will just be a guidelines for you so that you get help, okay? And you have to write the answers by your own experiences, okay? So our answers may vary. What I give or what I say, you may not agree, or what you say, I may not agree. It's only because our experiences are different, okay? So whatever you try to write, you write it by yourself with your own experience and feelings. Okay, let's start. Now, page 28, question number 1 to 7, you are going to write in the CW copy. I repeat, page 28, question number 1 to 7, you will write in CW copy. Let's start. Is bullying different from harmless teasing? Now, what do you think? Bullying is different from harmless teasing? See, it depends. You cannot give an answer with yes or no. Okay, it's not possible. So, if you have to answer this, you have to make choice, because sometimes bullying deals to such an extent or exits such an extent that mm, it becomes harmful for someone else. And when we talk about harmless teasing, see, if just to make a fun, someone is teasing someone, but that person is not taking it so seriously, then it is harmless teasing. But you will never get such a situation where teasing or bullying is harmless. Okay, so it is something like your own experiences and your own answer. So find out and write it down. Next, why do you think people bully others? Can be many reasons why people bully others. One thing can be, sometimes people think that uh, their inner conscious says that I am superior to that person, but I cannot express that. So in that situation, I feel when I am superior, I can bully that person. Or else we can say, maybe without realizing, just to make fun, we bully others. But I don't feel that pain because I'm never been bullied by someone else. So spontaneously, whenever I find time or I feel someone to bully, I do that. Can be that also. So there can be various reasons for it. Okay. Next, what might happen if you don't do anything to stop bullies? It will increase gradually. Slowly, it will increase, and once it will increase, then see, our society will come to such an extent that mm, we will have fear, situations will be creepy for us, and we won't be able to move outside. Okay, so once we see someone is bullied by others, or once I am being bullied by someone, I need to stop that. We need to stop that. Do you think it's a good idea to fight back when bullies trouble you? Why? Fight back? How? How will you fight back? There is a question. It's not that someone is bullying you, you go and give a punch, done, it will increase. No. How you fight back? You need to raise your voice. You need to speak out, speak your mind. What is there in your mind? You say, you to stop that person, make that person realize that what you are doing is incorrect. Okay? What will happen if you cry in front of a bully? This I have asked you when I was teaching you this chapter. Uh, See, when you cry in front of a bully, then that person thinks maybe you are scared, you are afraid, and you are unable to deal with the situation. So, in fear, you are crying. So, you may not speak to someone else because you are scared of the situation of that person, and this bully continues. So, it is not fair to cry in front of that person. Okay, because see, crying is not bad, but when you are bullied, that situation you should deal it very sensitively, because when someone is doing that to you, means that person is trying to harm you, whether physically, emotionally, mentally, whatever, but is trying. So to make that person realize and understand that the thing which you are trying to do it with me can also happen with you, even the same thing can come back to you. So during that situation, instead of crying, fight back with your mental effort, with your words. Okay, next. Would you tell your friends, parents, or teacher if you were being bullied? Why? Of course, you have to share. Because why? Because you will get various ideas from them. You will get support from them to fight back that situation. Next, do you think bullying or teasing other kids makes the bully look strong and powerful? Not at all. When you bully someone, when I am trying to bully you, I'm the weakest person in this world, because see, I am trying to bully you without knowing the situation in your life. I don't know whether it will come back to me or not. Hmm? I don't know how much strong you are, but still, just to make fun, I do that. So that person cannot be strong enough. Okay? So instead doing that, we need to speak out. Okay, next. Now from here you will be writing in your book itself. Write 3 reasons why you think bullying is wrong. You can find out your own reason and write down, because we have discussed many things. So go through that video. From there also you can get. From the book also you can get. Okay. Question 3. Look at the following situations and color the bubbles that show bullying. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 situations are given to you. See which is actually related with the bullying and color that. That's the rule of the game. We can't change it. First one, okay. Second one, what we decide is the rule. Now from these 2 points, you need to find out which one is actually bullying, and you will color that. Now it's your choice. You find out, let me know. Hi hobble feet, want to race? Hi, can I help you in any way? So which one is bullying now here? Very clearly it is understood. Next, if you are my friend, you must do as I say. Is that so? Or do it if you feel like doing it. Okay, so do it by yourself. Next, is bullying different from harmless teasing? Give 5 examples each of bullying and harmless teasing. See, friendly teasing, that I don't mind. Maybe giving names, different names to your friend, I won't mind. Or maybe sometimes taking my copy and writing my name in that copy without my concern, I don't mind. But bullying that hurts me, throwing my tiffin box, punching me, or kicked, or any mental hurt, right? Or maybe slapping me in front of my friends, my teachers. Okay. Next, now take the right options. Teasing becomes bullying when the action or words hurt my feelings, of course. The actions hurt me physically, yes. I become afraid of the person teasing me, yes. Teasing is cruel and continues for days, yes. Here are some ways of dealing with bullying. Write what would happen if you tried each of these methods. Ignore the taunting. If you ignore each day, every day, then maybe one day he will stop or she will stop bullying, because he will not get that, what do you call it, interest into it. Complain to a teacher, parent. Yes, if you complain to your teacher or parent, then maybe immediately that person will stop, get scared of. Stick with friends who will help. Of course, a solution will come out with a friend whom you find comfortable with, and you can apply that. Pick up a fight with those who tease. Then it may become worst, I think so. Because if you start fighting with that person, then in return, again, next day he will find out some other way of bullying you. Think of a clever reply, of course. Then that person may not again try to tease you or bully you. Next, imagine the following situations. Take the option you would choose. When you walk back home from school, some bullies wait at the corner to trip you. What will you do? I will call the bully's name. I will walk for home with my friends. I will walk home with my friends. Your cousin teases you about your clothes. What will you do? I will ignore him so that he gets tired of teasing me. Yes, first option only. The class bully takes away your pencils and erasers. What will you do? Ask him politely but firmly to return my things. I will bully smaller kids. No, never. First one. I will ask him politely but firmly. Next. Ria wants to cycle in the park, but the colony bullies don't let her do so. Ria looks towards the other kids for help. Here's what some of them say. See, she's such a crybaby. We don't want her around us. Let's trouble the little girl and have some fun. Let us help the little girl out. Yes. Hmm? There's enough space. Let her cycle. Okay. Let's continue our game. It's not our problem if the bullies tease the girl. No. So these two options. Next, what would you have said or done if you were one of the children watching the bullies tease Riza? Maybe you will move forward and help Ria, right? Can be. Or maybe you will try to find out space for her and give her space in your own space. What would you have done if you were Ria in Ria's place? Uh, Maybe I will ignore the situation and cycle there, or I will find out some other place. Next, read the following situation, put a tick in the box if you think it is harmless and a cross if you think it is bullying. Your elder brother makes you clean his bed by threatening to beat you up. Wrong. Your elbow pokes someone as you are hurrying to class. Elbow poke someone you are hurrying to class. It's not teasing. It happened. Okay. You point out your friend's mistake. Mm, it depends. See, you are putting tick which you think it is harmless. So this is harmless, I think. You tease your little cousin about his new hairstyle, but stop when he starts crying. First, you are teasing. When he's crying, you stop. That means you're not trying to harm him. So, tick. Your friends don't let a new girl in the class playing on the swing, even though it's empty. This is wrong. Right? Y for yes, no, N for no. Do you tease or beat other children? Should be no. Do you deliberately leave out someone from your games to make him or her feel bad? Should be no. Do you make up stories about someone so that others laugh at him? No. Do you watch quietly when your friends tease a child? You should move forward, so no. Do you enjoy it when your friends say rude things about someone? No. Do you force someone to do things he or she doesn't want to? No. Do you feel happy when you trouble others? No. And the last part, page 34. Do you or don't you? Put a star in the box if the statement is true. How many stars did you get? So it's your choice, okay? See, when someone troubles me, I tell my parents about it, stand up to the bully. Yes, should be. I take my friends' help if I am being teased. Yes. I let the younger kids share the playground with me and let them play. I am polite to everyone, should be. I play games by their rules. Yes. Your friend is constantly being teased by her elder sister. Write a letter telling her how to handle the situation. So this is absolutely your own choice. Okay, write it here only. So we have come to the end of the chapter called bullying, right? And you are going to write your own answers and send it to me. Okay, bye bye, take care.